Skin cancer is one of the most common cancers in the United States. It is estimated that nearly 87,110 people in the U.S. are diagnosed with skin cancer every year. Melanoma is the most dangerous form of skin cancer. When caught early, most melanomas can be cured with relatively minor surgery. But when melanoma has spread around the body, which is known as stage 4 or metastatic melanoma, it is sadly notoriously difficult to treat. Perhaps you or your loved one have tried various medications to combat melanoma, but nothing really worked. Don't be afraid. You are not alone. Clinical trials are an option to think about when it comes to treating melanoma. What is a clinical trial? While incredible progress is made in medicine every single day, there are still some diseases that remain a mystery to doctors and scientists everywhere. Lots of researchers are busy in pharmaceutical companies developing medical strategy, treatment, or device that will get rid of all these diseases. Once a breakthrough has been established and the medicine is proven to be safe and effective in the laboratory, there is need to explore whether this medical strategy, treatment, or device is safe and effective for humans before it is made available to the general public. This is called clinical trial. Clinical trials are one of the final stages of a long and careful research process. The aim of the clinical trials is to find out if a new treatment or procedure is safe, has side effects, works better than the currently used treatment, and helps you feel better. Most up-to-date medical interventions for most diseases and conditions, including cancer, heart disease, high blood pressure, and asthma, have been developed through clinical research. Clinical trials often lead to new interventions becoming available that help people to live longer and to have less pain or disability. Clinical trials are the main way that doctors find better treatments for diseases such as cancer. They also help doctors answer other questions, such as how to prevent disease or manage symptoms and side effects. Participating in clinical trials is often recommended for patients diagnosed with stage 3 or 4 skin cancer. If you or your loved one is diagnosed with stage 3 or 4 melanoma, you don't have to lose hope. Here are a number of reasons you or your doctor may want to consider participation in a clinical trial, including access to investigational treatments before they become widely available, access to absolutely free medicine, physical examinations, diagnostic tests related to the study, regardless if you have an insurance or not. Pharmaceutical companies are paying the cost. Opportunity to play a vital role in the discovery of treatments, cures, and preventions of diseases or medical conditions. According to a survey by the Center for Information and Study on Clinical Research Participation, CICRP, 95% of study volunteers would consider participating in a future clinical trial. And the most important part is that here is an opportunity to become free of cancer. It's time to wake up. Stop what you are doing and take action now. Enroll for melanoma clinical trials today.